The objectives of this course is to introduce you to the world of blogs in order to prepare you for your adventure. Becoming a digital nomad is no easy task. If you end up selling all of your possessions in order to fund your travels, it means you must keep constant track of your earnings, spending, and much more. Having a blog and being a freelancer on the go is the key to nomadic success. You will have to understand the basics of what a digital nomad is, what steps to take in order to kickstart your nomadic career, what precautions to take, and much more. You will learn how to use a writing platform such as WordPress. There are so many expensive courses on how to use WordPress, even though it is extremely easy. In truth, it's rather easy to use the content manager system where you can create new posts and pages, format posts and subheadings, add handy widgets and plugins to help your blog look more professional. We already have a recommended list to show you. Your blog, in order to survive, will need good content. At this point, some begin to struggle. By the end of the course, you will understand how to come up with lots of good ideas to write about, learn how to write a good-looking post so you can keep your visitors reading, and most importantly, how to be a digital nomad in a world so seriously captivating. You will also learn how to create a social media page in order to communicate effectively with your readers and use mailing systems such as MailChimp so that you can send reminders, promotions, and blog post updates. This course is designed for those who want to explore a different area, to learn new skills, or to experiment in order to find their dream job. It doesn't matter if you are part of a huge brand or a small business. Anyone can become a digital nomad. Being passionate about what you do will help you find clients and readers for your blog.